they're just capping us. There's really not much we can do.
You spoke. You know this guy?
Someone just spawned a wither.
What?
What the heck is happening?
Yo.
It's Spoke. It's literally Spoke. What is Spoke doing?
Oh wow, they're all down in the water.
Oh my gosh! Yo, Spoke just killed like 4 of them. Yo, what's up, Spoke? Yo, what's good, bro? It's been a minute. Oh, Wembu, what's up?
Let's go! What?